This channel is making $16,000 monthly by posting automated short videos. Today, I'm going to reveal a secret to you. A simple, straightforward method on how you could create intriguing short YouTube videos that could earn you thousands a month. The secret? An internet connection, a laptop, and just 10 minutes of your day. Let's dive in. Step 1. First, go to ChatGPT and ask it to name 10 animals. Select the one that piques your interest. I chose lion, and then request GPT to write a brief, engaging 50-word description about your chosen animal. Copy this information to your clipboard. That's the script for your video sorted. Step 2. Next, we're going to turn your script into lifelike speech using Play.ht. Sign up by clicking on Sign Up button and enter the details. After that, choose the ultra-realistic voice feature. Paste your script and select your preferred AI voice. After generating the preview and ensuring you're happy with it, download your file. Step 3. Now, let's add some visuals. Head over to Canva and create a new project in the YouTube Shorts format. Upload the audio file you just downloaded from Play.ht. Then, add stock videos to make it more interesting. Step 4. It's time to set the mood with some background music. YouTube's very own audio library is a great place for this. Pick a track that suits your video, download it, and then add it to your Canva project. Step 5. Our video is almost done, but it's missing something crucial: subtitles. For this, we'll use wildest. Upload your video, select Auto Subtitle, choose English, or your preferred language, and let the software do its magic. Review and adjust the timings if necessary, and then download your subtitled video. Result:
the lion, also known as the king of the jungle, is an impressive creature with fascinating attributes. They are social animals that live in prides, typically led by a dominant male. Lions are incredibly powerful and can run up to speeds of 50 miles per hour.
And there you go. You've just created an enticing short video for YouTube. If you found this tutorial helpful, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more exciting content.